Hello. Hi there, YouTube fam. Welcome back. Welcome back to another video to hang out with Brenda Lee. That's me. So this is a continuation of my last video, which I did on Friday. And remember I said that I wasn't feeling well, so I went to bed. And then I went out of town over the weekend, so I wasn't able to get back to it. Now today I am completing my look for my living room. I completed my entryway table, and now I'm doing my lamp table and my coffee table, or end table, whatever kind of table you want to call it. But yes, I am finishing up the look, and then I will give you the review. Okay, so good to be back, and thank you for my continuing subscribers who always come by and catch my videos and give me a thumbs up and give me comments and likes and all that good stuff. You know I appreciate you. Thank you so very much. And to those who may have stopped by for the first time, I would love for you to also subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. Come and join us, the beautifully curated design family. Hanging out with Brenda Lee, that's me. Okay? And let's have some fun. Give me some feedback. Let me know if I'm doing okay, or if I need to tweak here or there or something like that. I welcome all comments. Okay? As long as it's constructive criticism that can help me to improve. All right, T? So thank you very much to everyone who stops by and catch my video. I appreciate it. So we have a gold decorative box that I'm going to use on the table. I'm going to sit with the candlesticks on top. Alrighty? Not the candlesticks, but the pillars. The one thing that I wish is that they were not the same height. I think they look very nice when one is tall and one is short. But that's not the case here. So I'm going to work with what I have, like I always do. So, a little tip for if you do have candle pillars that are the same size, and what you can do is, since you don't have one taller than the other, you can sit them kind of like on an angle instead of side by side. Sit them on an angle, and I think that gives it an even better look. Yeah, so that's something to keep in mind. You'll see it when I do the reveal. You'll see it close up, and it might make more sense to you what I'm saying. And then we have this peacock here. I love peacocks. They are so, what's the word I'm looking for? Majestic. Okay, so we have that look right there so far. So good. Now I need to, which I probably should have did it as soon as I finished the other one. Ooh, Jesus. Child, I had an emergency on aisle 3. But I got it all cleaned up, and it looks as if nothing ever happened. I sprayed the wood cleaner on the glass, thinking it was the glass cleaner. Why? But anyway, okay, so I still need to do the wood. Let me make sure I got just the glass cleaner. Let's resume. That scared me. That was terrifying, because I thought it was going to leave a glazed look on my glass top. Lord, thank you for always bailing me out. Thank you. is a melamine tray, I believe. And I had this for, quite a few years. But what I come to find out was when I was using my melamine gold and silver boxes, circular ones, I came across this tray and I was like, oh, okay. They may not be the same color, but they are gold and they do have the same texture. Well, they do have the same finish. So it works for me. And these two, these are metal and they are very heavy. I love them, love them, love them. These were $19.99 from Burlington and I had these for years. How long, I don't know, but it's been a long time. And then this little sweetie, I recently purchased about maybe 3 weeks ago. And she was $12.99 and she is heavy to be so little. Have sort of like a scallop edge and that, what color gold? Rose gold. And then the ball on the top is rose gold. I need to use my blow dryer so that I can get that sticker off. But at the moment, I'm not ready to do that. And then I have the Couture Paris book boxes, decorative book boxes that you can store stuff in, such as a receipt. No, like whatever you need. Brenda, get it right. Whatever you need to store in. A lot of people put their remotes in, but whatever you need to store can go in there. Then we have another Paris book, $7.99, and this one was $5.99. $7.99. That one opens as well, and this one was $9.99. Now I love coffee table books. However, I don't love how much they cost. So whenever I come across these little beauties, I pick them up until I come across some used coffee table books. I'm not paying 50, 60, 70, whatever the cost may be. That's out of my decorating budget. I can buy several things for the price of one coffee table book. People be paying over $100. No, I will not give those designers my money like that. I like to stretch my dollars as far as I can. Sometimes I do splurge once in a while, but not a lot. The more I can get, the better, girl. Some people say less is better. When you have to change up your looks, like I do, more. So voila, here we go. That is my white, black, silver, and gold look for this coffee table styling, end table styling, and my entryway styling. So now I will do the reveal. Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt this broadcast to bring you a special message. Stay tuned. Celebrate good times. Come on, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. Celebrate good times. Come on. Hey you two. Hey you two. Hey family. Come on and celebrate. Come on and celebrate. Come on and celebrate. It's your girl. Beautifully curated, decorated designs. This is my minus the cake ice cream birthday treat. Oh, I'm good. Guess what? I'm back to finish up my video. That started sometime, what, last month and a half? Yeah, my beautiful artwork. I'm putting on my finishing touches so that I can add it to my wall in my living room and finish up my video. Alrighty? Hi YouTube family, how are you today? I just had to stop by really quickly, it's getting really late, and let you all know that it's my birthday and I want you to celebrate. Come on! Let's celebrate. Yes. Anywho, I had me a shopping good time. Don't tell nobody, okay? Woo! Let me stop. But since things didn't turn out as planned, I was like, you know what? I think I supposed been in here working on this, but I needed some more glue. Because this one right here that I had for a long time wasn't working right. And it was working my nerves. So I said, I definitely need some more glue in order to finish, so I won't be frustrated trying to get the finishing touches put on my artwork, right? Okay, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get dressed, I'm gonna go out. And I have something that I need to return to Ross. So that played right up my alley, to tell you the truth. Because I was like, instead of having dinner, guess what? I can have some things that I really love and I can use them for decorating. And I will like that a whole lot better because that's gonna last a whole lot longer than my birthday dinner, right? So my daughter and my sister, they think I'm crazy because that's all I want to do. I just want to shop and decorate, okay? Sorry about that, whoever don't like it. But anyway, I got dressed. As soon as my husband came back, he came in, I went out. And when I got right to where Ross is, before I could pull into the shopping center, no, I think before I got there. Yeah. I was at the light that would take me to Ross. And it started pouring down. Cats and dogs. I couldn't believe it. Because before I left, I was like, I look to the right and the sky was turning dark. I was like, oh my gosh, I better take my umbrella. Look to the left, the sky was a little clear. So I was like, do I have enough time to get down there and get back before the rain started? I said, I sure hope I do. So I went on about my business. And yes, it started pouring down. Cats and dogs. I was like, oh Lord, please. I hope this is one of those like 5-minute rainstorms that will stop very soon. Well, honey, I could not get out the car to get into Ross. So I'm sitting there praying and being patient. And I said, I spotted them while I was sitting down, waiting for my husband to pick me up. Because I spotted this lantern, and I was like, oh, I really like that. But it was like kind of big, and I went to look at it. That was like $59.99 or something like that. I was like, well, that's too fancy. I don't think I would want to pay that much for, a lantern. So in Ross today, I saw 3 of them, small, medium, and large. But the large that they had wasn't as big as the one at Home Goods. But anyway, it was $12.99, $17.99, and $24.99. I was like, no, this is in my price range. So I got the small and the medium. And I was so happy that I went because I was like, Holy Spirit, you're so good to me. Thank you so much for allowing me to get here and not get rained on and find some things that I like for my birthday so that, my birthday wasn't a complete flop. We're going to go out to dinner one day this week, whatever day is right. Because Janine's birthday, my youngest daughter, her birthday was on the 20th, and me and my sister's birthday was on the 23rd. So we'll make up for what we didn't get a chance to do. So my husband called me and told me, he said, Brenda, he said, they're forecasting a severe thunderstorm. He said, so get home as quickly as you can. I was like, okay, thanks for letting me know. Because I was hoping that it wasn't going to rain anymore once I, got in the store, it finally stopped raining, I got in the store and everything like that. So I was like, oh my gosh, oh Lord, please let me get home. Please do not let it pour. Let me please get home before the thunderstorm comes back. Well, girl, I needed some glue. And I was like, okay, Lord, thank you so much for getting me way down here. And it did, I think it drizzled a little bit or whatever, but it didn't storm. So I was like, I'm super duper grateful. Thank you, Lord. I really appreciate you answering my prayer. And I got to get some glue in order to go home, finish what I was doing. So I was able to run in the dollar store. I said, you know what, Blue? You better work right this time because I don't feel like being frustrated. I need to get done what I got to get done and finish. So I made it in the dollar store. And back home, no rain. And I just couldn't thank God enough because I thought it was going to, because he said it was going to severe thunderstorms for the rest of the evening, right? I don't know, like he didn't know at what time it was going to start. But right now, the trees are blowing. And I'm probably going to have to put that garage door down shortly because that's what was happening earlier. The trees was blowing really wild and really hard, and the wind was blowing the car, and the rain was pouring so bad, it was like flooding the streets. That's how hard it was. Yes, it was flooding the streets, and I was only like 1 block away from, like a half a block or whatever, away from Ross. So that was just so perfect how God worked it out so that I could have a happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do what I'm supposed to do. And you'll see the video on tomorrow. Okay? How about that? That was fun, but I gotta run. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Thank you for my subscribers. I appreciate you stopping past to watch the video. And thank you to those of you who have not had a chance to subscribe. Please subscribe. Make it my birthday present. Okay? Subscribe and like and share and comment. It's free 99. Okay? I'll talk to you soon. It was fun. But yes, I do gotta run. All right? See you soon. Love you guys. God bless.